In this video, we're going to look at different Irish words to describe the same thing. So let's get on with it. Gohan and phone can both mean phone, as in a mobile phone or a landline. Gohan and phone. Chuir sé an gohan síos orm. He hung up on me, or it literally means he put the phone down on me. Chuir sé an gohan síos orm. Cuinnig an phone faoi do lámh. Keep your phone close by. Cuinnig an phone faoi do lámh. Next we have glúisteáin and car. So these are two separate words to describe a car. Glúisteáin and car. Ní raibh an glúisteáin sásta tosú. The car wouldn't start. Or literally it means the car wasn't happy to start up. Ní raibh an glúisteáin sásta tosú. Is é an car is mó díl I mbliana é. It's the best-selling car of the year. Is é an car is mó díl I mbliana é. Next we have luachmhar and áthas. Luachmhar and áthas. These mean happiness or joy. Bhí luachmhar orm bualadh leis. I was delighted to meet him. Bhí luachmhar orm bualadh leis. Tá áthas uirthi go bhfuil sé thart. She's delighted it's over, or she's glad it's over. Tá áthas uirthi go bhfuil sé thart. Next we have buail and contúirt. These words mean danger. Buail and contúirt. Thig she go raibh buail ann. She understood the danger. Thig she go raibh buail ann. Tá contúirt dóitéin ann. There's a danger of fire. Tá contúirt dóitéin ann. If you enjoyed this video, then please give it a like, and I'll be back very soon with another video. Thanks for watching. Slán go fóill.